This is how to fix Palworld black screen. So for the first method, go to the search and type in device manager. You should open this application. Now when this window pop up, go look for the display adapters element and open it. Do not select your integrated graphics card and select your NVIDIA or AMD one. Right click and select the first option. Select this option and then click close. For the second method, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. You need to see this NVIDIA app appearing, otherwise either you don't have an NVIDIA graphics card or you should just go download it from their official website. From here, you should sign up with an account or log in with your existing one. So go to drivers and make sure to select download and install the latest ready driver you will find. That should fix your issue. If not, go to the Windows icon. After that, look for settings. Now go to Windows updates. Now from here, you need to ensure to download and install all the Windows updates in order to ensure and prevent compatibility error happening. Once done, go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. Search for Steam. To do that, go to the search bar and type in Steam. You need to ensure that the Steam icon is not appearing, so right click on it and select End Task. Wait for a couple of moments. After that, relaunch the Steam launcher again. Now go to the view option and select library. After that, look for Palworld. The game must be installed, so I'm going to show using this one. You need to click on this manage icon. After that, click properties, select installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. By that, it will recover any corrupted or missing file that is responsible for the black screen issue. All you have to do is to wait for the process to finish, and that's it. Hopefully the problem is gone. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.